Hi, I wanted to provide just a little bit of information on this week's assignment. There had been a question or two, so I thought I'd just jump in with a quick overview. For the research proposal, don't worry about the length, that'll take care of itself. If you follow these guidelines fairly closely, you'll roughly end up with 10 pages, plus or minus a page or two. Um, when it's done, it's done. And brevity is the soul of wit, but you'll have to attend to each of these prompts, so about 10 pages will do it. But here's the good news. You've already been working on it since week one. Let me show you how. In modular week one, we had an individual assignment, research reflection. Reflect on something in your life you'd like to know more about. Address at least one higher ed topic. So you already have your topic. And then in week two, we had a research practice paper. Remember, we identified a problem, explained what it would look like to research, what would you like to research, develop your research question, and demonstrate your review of the literature. Looks pretty familiar, right? Now, in the higher ed case study dilemma that we did in Module 3, we looked at a research question, what kind of study, how you'll carry it out, and add a short literature review. So you could use what you started to and what your personal research interest is, or you can expand on a case study. So you have a lot of options and you have a lot of information that you've already tackled. By week three, there's nothing in the research proposal that you haven't already addressed. And then here's the good news, right? In weeks 4 and 5, you did some qualitative and quantitative research design briefs that gave you more experience, specifically looking at the methodology and how you would flesh that out. Now, this week, you're kind of taking the first 5 weeks and fleshing that out into a unified research proposal as far as topic, whatever interests you, or you could pick the case study that you participated in. You have a lot of options. I hope that helps.